Hi, I'm David Cunin. I'm the product manager for the Evolv Express system. And today we're going to talk about the new ruggedized model of the outdoor system. The new ruggedized outdoor system is easier than ever to move around your facility and faster than ever to set up, with a long list of new features that bring extra value to customers who wish to relocate their systems between events. New features include pivoting wheels that lock with a simple foot action, a handle on a pivoting arm to pull the system, or when stowed on the nose of the TX tower to push the system around your facility, and 4 leveling legs that you push and twist clockwise to deploy and twist counterclockwise until they pop up to retract. Green markings indicate when the legs have been fully retracted and the system is ready to move. Notice the 4-inch rubber wheels for fluid motion over smooth and rough surfaces. With the new system also comes a new mobility cover that protects the RX cables with an extra flap and with an improved hook shape to speed up hanging and unhanging the mats. With the magnetic interlock feature, the mat snaps into place against the TX tower base, so you can be assured you have the correct positioning. The process to connect the RX towers remains the same. If you ever operate in windy conditions, you will appreciate the new plastic strips that secure graphics panels in place. And the larger, heavier metal base increases the TX tower's stability in windy conditions, or if accidentally bumped by people and objects passing through the Express system. For those of you worrying about wheeling the system over rough surfaces such as pavers, bricks, and sewer grates, the combination of the sturdier frame, large rubber wheels, and handle on a pivoting arm makes it a breeze to move outdoor systems, and a Teflon skid plate on the underside of the frame makes it easier to move over surfaces with changing slope, such as ramps and curbs. The new outdoor Evolv Express provides your visitors peace of mind that they are entering a weapons-free zone in a welcoming manner without burdening your staff during setup, use, and breakdown.